Hi, so this is my first video. I hope you guys like it. I'm going to do a super quick head swap because that's just been something I've been asked a lot about. So very first thing you want to do is create a background copy. And then go to Place Embedded, find the original picture, or not the original picture, the picture that you are going to swap heads with from the original picture, if that makes sense. In this case, little Gaby did not want to smile when everybody else was smiling, so that's what we're going to fix today. And since this is a raw file, it's going to open up Camera Raw first, which you just press OK and bring the picture on here. And now I found a pretty easy way to do this is to just lower the opacity of that second picture. This way you can kind of see where it is and you can place it as closely on top of the original head. And once you're done with that, you can bring up the opacity again. And now you're going to create a layer mask, which is at the very bottom. And then you are going to invert that. On a Mac, it's just Command-I, and then it's inverted. I don't know how to do that on Windows, I'm sorry. So now you're going to go in with just a regular brush tool, make sure it's on white, and you just paint over the head, and that's going to bring out that new picture that we had inverted. So basically, because we inverted it, now we can bring out that bottom layer. And then just go in, make sure that all the edges are right. As you can see, there's some overlap here that's visible, so you just go in with the brush tool, switch it back to black so that we can kind of bring it all together with that original picture. You really want to try to change as little as possible. And see there, I went a little too far and some of the old head was peeking through, so we just cover that back up. And then, yeah, you just do that everywhere you think that you might need to do that. There isn't too much crazy overlap here, so. And then I always like to just make it not visible and kind of see if there's any weird areas that might need fixing. And then I'll go back and do that. But as you can see, it's already a pretty natural difference, and Gaby's happy, just like the rest of the family now. So. But I did see a couple things here right by his brother's head where their bodies are kind of put together. So I just go in and I fix that again with the black brush. And all done, pretty much. Just fixing up the edges. It's just the easiest thing in the world to do. And I hate that this is something that a lot of people are scared to even try because they think, oh no, I can't do that. But you absolutely can. It's very easy. And I think one of the most important things about Photoshop to learn is definitely just layer masks and things like that. I'll see if I can't create a video on that. But yeah, then flatten the image, save it. Now I will say something I would normally like to do is I always do this once the images have been edited. It's just easier that way because right now obviously I'm having to save this as a PNG or even a JPEG. Which you don't really want to do because at that point it's not a raw file anymore, so it's a little harder to edit. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that real quick, and we're all done. Thanks for watching.